heart beats so that it must be near Christmas time. There is mistletoe and New Year's wine. Every woman, man and child has Santa on their mind. We love the most when it's Christmas time. The trees all glow with ornaments and tiny lights. There are stockings hung and there's candlelight. Presents dressed in fancy bows soon bring us all delight. We love the most when it's Christmas time. Oh, the smiling face a toy creates when Christmas morn arrives, as children rush to see if Santa came. But of all the gifts that we can share, there's one that is the same. That's the joy we all feel from being close together on that day. Dreams they can come true, they say, at Christmas time. Reindeer play their games, snowmen come to life. Soon we'll all be gathered close with spirits that are bright. We love the most when it's Christmas time. They can come true, they say, at Christmas time. Reindeer play their games, snowmen come to life. Soon we'll all be gathered close with spirits that are bright.